Hi guys! So ngayon guys, sa video natin ngayon, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-customize ng gestures ng screen reader. So depende na yun sa screen reader na gamit nyo guys. So ang gamit ko ngayon is G-Show. G-Show screen reader yung gamit ko ngayon. So ayan. So punta tayo sa settings nya. Ayan.
G-Flow Plus, 20 million, email 946, general settings, TTS settings, feedback setting, TTS setting, general settings.
Punta lang kayo dito sa general settings.
General settings. General settings, setup wizard. TTS rate 50, TTS volume 1, read usage hints unchecked, allow reading of element indexes and display range and lists unchecked. Automatically read notifications from the notification, invert swiping gestures, use custom gesture scheme settings.
Hanapin niyo lang dito yung custom gesture scheme settings.
New notification from Elio, green circle, custom.
Ayan.
Swipe left hand of notification bar, default. Swipe left hand, new note, swipe right hand, swipe. Single tap, double tap with 2 fingers, triple tap with 2 fingers, speed time and battery level, single tap with 3 fingers, functions menu, function, triple tap with 2 fingers, speed time and battery level, default. Single tap with 3, triple tap with 2 fingers, speed time and battery level, default.
So, try natin to.
Triple tap with 2 fingers, triple tap with 2 fingers, default checked. No commands unchecked, functions unchecked, custom voice commands, tools unchecked, timer unchecked, application unchecked, function unchecked.
Sa function, dito na tayo mamili.
Function, cancel button, suspend browse by touch, gesture scheme description, enable logging, screen reader settings, functions menu, current per app gestures menu, recognition menu, main menu, tools, extensions, profiles, application, enter keyword text box, function, enter keyword text application, profiles, extend tools, main menu, recognition menu, current per app gest recognition menu, main menu, custom.
So, try natin tong main menu.
Back button, accessibility button,
Tapos,
home button, close button, custom, save button.
Hanapin niyo lang dito yung save.
Saved.
Ayan, na-save na daw.
Home button.
So, ayun. So, try na natin.
Main menu.
Ayun, totoo nga. So, yun.
Main menu.
So, pakita ko na rin pala sa inyo yung iba, guys.
List browsing. Granular main menu. More button. Cancel button.
Cancel ko na lang yan. Pakita ko pala sa inyo yung iba.
Back button. Accessibility button.
Wait lang.
Long press accessibility. Home button. App G-Flow lock prudent screen. Choose a feature to use when you tap the accessibility button. Home button.
Wait lang guys ha.
Page 2 of 2.
I-ano ko siguro muna, ipopause yung recording. So, may mag-a-add lang ako saglit ng shortcut sa ano.
Clear all notifications. Make 1 hour silent on tools. Stop. Pause.
So, ayun guys, ito naman yung Prudent Screen Reader. So, ito naman ganito naman mag-customize ng gestures sa Prudent Screen Reader. So, punta na tayo sa Prudent Settings. Tap with 4 fingers. Wait lang, ayan na. Wait lang guys. Ayan.
Prudent Screen Reader turned on.
Ayan.
Prudent Screen Accessibility. TTS set. Verbosity details. Sound and vibration. Notification setting. Customized gestures.
Hanapin nyo dito yung customized gestures.
Reset gesture settings. 1 finger.
So, huwag nyo nang gagalawin yung reset gesture settings.
Swipe up, move navigation, focus backward, or adjust reading control up.
Ito sample lang to guys ha.
Swipe up.
Try natin to.
Swipe up. Move navigation, focus backward, or adjust reading control up. Checked. Move navigation, focus forward, or adjust reading control down. Start or end selection mode. Move cursor to beginning. Move cursor to select all. Unchecked. Copy selected text. Cut. Paste. Clear edit box. Main menu. Unchecked. Recognize the text on screen. Main menu.
So, try natin yan main menu. So, okay na yan. Hindi ka na magsisave.
Home.
So, try natin.
Main menu.
Ayun.
Copy last spoken phrase.
So, ganun lang siya guys.
Voice input. Prudent settings. Voice input. Edit text on screen. Voice input. Prudent settings.
So, balik ko na siya dun sa dati. Balik ko na dun sa dati.
Swipe up main menu.
Swipe up.
Swipe down, move navigation. Swipe up main menu. Swipe up. Swipe up. Main menu. Checked. Recognize the text. Main menu. Clear edit box. Paste. Unchecked. Cut. Unchecked. Copy selected text. Select all. Unchecked. Move cursor to end. Move cursor to beginning. Start or end selection mode. Move navigation. Move navigation. Focus backward, or adjust reading control up. Unchecked.
So, ito na yon yung default niya. So, ayan.
Home.
Tapos guys, ganun lang siya guys kadali. Kung halimbawa kung gusto mo mag-customize ng gestures, ganun lang siya guys kadali mag-customize ng gestures sa Prudent Screen Reader at saka sa G-Show Screen Reader. Sa susunod guys, pakita ko pa sa inyo yung ibang mga ibang mga tutorial pa. So ganun lang siya guys kadali.
Accessibility. Page indicator.
Wait lang guys.
Folder colon music tool. Accessibility volume is 40%. Notification shade. Clear all Clipmate 2. Silent is a green circle, green circle, green expand. Yo-yo 4 minute tools. Stop.
So ganun lang siya guys. So see you in next video na guys. Subscribe pala kayo dito sa YouTube channel ko.